Hey guys, today I'm going to talk to you about the American Tonneau Company soft rolling tonneau cover. Now this is going to be a low profile, soft rolling cover that's going to be constructed with a sturdy aluminum frame. Now the tarp is going to be made out of a marine grade vinyl and attaches to the rails using industrial hook and loop fasteners. Now to operate the cover, you just have to drop your tailgate, and on your driver's side you're going to have a trigger latch. Pull that, and that's going to release the cover from the rails and you can begin to start rolling it back. Now you can see there's going to be some support rods that are going to keep your cover tight against loads like rain or snow. And then once you get all the way to the back, you can actually latch the cover into position and drive down the road with full bed access. Now to close the cover, you have to unlatch it, roll it forward, making sure your support rods fall inside the rails. And then once you get to the back, your aluminum header is going to fit into a groove on each rail, and then you can latch it into position. Now with your tailgate closed and locked, your cover can't be opened and the cargo is going to be safe and secure inside. Now the soft rolling tonneau is made right here in the USA and is going to be a no drill installation. It also comes with a 1-year warranty and we ship them for free to anywhere in the lower 48 states. If you have any questions, give us a call or visit us online. Thanks.